Hi, today we're installing this root quencher to this crepe myrtle. The root quencher is extended to 22 inches. This crepe myrtle only needs 12 inches, so you can reduce the size by twisting. It's about 12 inches there. According to our plant database, the crepe myrtle has shallow roots that is only in the surface, and that's why we're only using 12 inches. So we start to dig into the ground we got to be careful that we don't damage any of the roots. Okay, so I'm using an auger today, but you can use either a post hole digger or just dig it out by hand with a shovel. But here we go. The great feature of having a telescope root quencher is that if you have hard ground and you can't go full 12 inches, you can always adjust it to whatever size that you need. As you can see, the root quencher comes with its own valve and hose lines for easy installation. Dig it in the hole. And here is our existing irrigation line. So you adjust the valve that's appropriate to balance with your system. Just get the cap, put it back on, and you could come back later to fertilize.